Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the operating system, and we are also known as OS. An operating system is a software that acts as an interface between the user and computer hardware. It manages the computer resources and provides several services for programs. It helps users interact with the systems and manage all hardware resources like CPU, memory, and devices. Some common example of the operating systems are Windows, Linux, and Android. And Mac also, Mac OS also one of the best example for the operating systems. Uh, The operating system is the main heart of the computer system. Without OS, a computer cannot function. It provides user interface, which can be either a graphical user interface or a command line interfaces. It also controls the uh, interaction between the hardware and software. So we can say that without an OS, there is no working computer. Why we need an OS. Now let us understand why we need an operating system. The operating system management manage the resources like CPU, memory, input-output devices efficiently. It allows applications to run smoothly and reliably. It also provides security by protecting the system data, and overall it improve the system performance and effectively. For example, when you open an application or save a file, the OS is managing everything in the background. The main functions of an operating system is in we have some types: process management, memory management, file management, device management. Mm. First, on its process management. Process management, it control the execution of the uh, programs. Second one, memory management. It allocates and manage the RAM. And third one is a file management system. We also known as handling the file operations, like store, retrieve the data. These are the file system management. And fourth one is device management system. It controls the input and output devices like keyboard and printer. Finally, security and protection. It protects the systems, resources, and the user data. Um, Now we are seeing the a single process system. It's also known as an unique process systems. Uh, it is a single. It has a single process system. Has only one CPU. It can execute only one task at a time. However, it uses a technique called the time sharing to give the illusion of multitasking. The tasks are executed sequentially, one after one. The main feature of the includes simple design, low cost, and sequential execution. Example of single process systems have we have desktop OS, computers, ATMs, and embedded systems. A simple way to understand this: one person doing multiple tasks one by one. This is called a single process system or uniprocess systems. Multiprocessor system. Multiprocessor system has a two or more CPUs working together. It can be execute multiple tasks simultaneously using parallel processing. There are two types of multiprocessing systems are available. One is symmetric multiprocessing and another was asymmetric multiprocessing. First one, symmetric multiprocessing, where are the CPU are equal and shared memory. Asymmetric is multiprocessing, where one CPU control other others. The advantages include high speed, better performance, and high reliability. This can be compared into the multiple people working it together at the same time to complete the task faster. Uh, Finally, we conclude the operating system is essential for the functioning of computer. Single process system are suitable for simple tasks, while multiprocessor systems are used for high performance tasks. Overall, the operating system makes the computer usable, efficient, and powerful. Thank you. Thank you for watching.